What's up, guys? We're gonna go play this called Cat Buzz again. We're gonna play two planets. Let's see. 14%. So, the right episode on a YouTube channel. I actually changed to episode 5. So I changed to episode. Go away. Sorry guys, it's my grandpa. So let's play the first one. Where we are. Okay. That is so it will be so hard you can't just do it. Okay? So hard, it will be so I don't know why. Okay. Are you kidding me? I could do this all day. I don't be all the way to episode 10. Are you kidding me? They copied the music in Papa's Bugs attacking. They copied the music, Papa's Bugs attacking. Two, they copied the music. I don't know why they copied the music. Oh my throat. Oh, you know I ate some chocolate. Woo! I'm dead. Oh my god! I don't know why, buddy. Well, okay. This is the last planet. Damn it! And so Colby. Go. Sorry. That was so close, but so close. Oh, by the way, go watch my. Hey guys, before that, I'm gonna tell you guys. You have to subscribe my friend Donovan Baster. He's my friend. He have a YouTube channel. You have to subscribe to me, okay? Just type in Donovan Baster and keep trying to find his videos and just subscribe and click the bell icon to him. And he have a new my friend Baster. He has a YouTube channel. I have also a YouTube channel. He has a lot of accounts and I don't have because my grandpa doesn't let. So crap my balls today. Okay, so subscribe again. Wait. Shh. Kaboom. My game is lagging. Oh. Kaboom. I died a lot of times, boys. Died a lot of times. This is the last planet. The last planet we're supposed to do. Ah! Oh no. Oh yeah. Yikes. Ah! Oh my god. Go. Oh! I was so quick. What is this? I can't click it. Shoot! I forgot I missed the drive. My storage right now again. It doesn't matter because okay. I don't know why. Oh! Hell yeah! I made it. That's how I did this. Wait. Go faster! The spike is so huge. Oh my god, this shelter. Sworn. Ah! Oh! I almost made it. Okay, so go faster, go. Oh. Go. Oh shit! Okay. Okay, now I know how to play. Oh my god. Boom, boom. Guys, you can watch this. Go! You guys, you can watch this in 5 o'clock. I'm sorry, guys. Crap! That spiked us so quick! Shit. I said shit. Boom and boom. About where go watch my Mr. Frog video. It was years ago. It was 2021. But graphics is almost, guys, it's almost 2023. Almost 2023. My god! Jeez! Ah! I don't know why I'm swearing like that. Okay. Crap. I'm there. Rest please. I'm there. Okay. So I got to be quick. Why? Why is it no checkpoint? This kitten is... I'm dead. But why kittens? Milk. Kittens love milk. Kitten loves milk? Because I don't have a cat. Or I have a cat. I was little. Jeez. I'm just standing here. Quick. Yeah. Oh shit! Whew. Okay. Shit, boy. Okay. Boom. Boom. Crap, my battery is 59%. I need to complete this level. Okay, so boom and boom and boom and boom. Exit. Oh yeah. I just see that trollness. Stupid song. I'm dead. Oh! How the hell I died? My... Come. No. There we go. Come on. No. Oh my god. Oh shit! Ship! Son of a biscuit! Oh! Okay. Son of a biscuit. No. Oh no. I'm dead. No. Please. Checkpoint. Oh yes, please, baby Jesus. Oh no, I'm sorry, Jesus. I died because of the mayor. Okay. Go. Boom. Oh yeah. Can I jump? Oh. Yeah. But these levels are a little bit easier when you keep dying. Oh, that was easy, man. That was easy. Very perfect easier. Oh, what kind of level's name is? Oh, wait. We'll appear like that. Oh my god. Boom. Shit! It will do that. Jump. Is it the... Oh my god, I was too late. Oh yeah. My goodness. So we have to get the key. Oh, he's dead. That's why. Oh my god. Another key? Ah, you're trolling me, game. Ah, hell no, game. Game. What is this? I got 2 keys. Game. Okay. Game, you trolling me? Woo! That is a troll. That was easy. That was so easy. Okay. No. Okay. So I guess we jump. What? Jesus. Gee, rabbit. I know, play. Okay, so jump. Okay. We jump, my baby. Can I just do this one? Okay, still 59%. Okay. Guys, you can watch this video 5 o'clock. It will show taking too long. It won't take too long. Okay, crap. Okay, I'm still pro gamer. I keep dying. No way. No way. What? No time. This is not easy. Never come out to take my hair. Okay, 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 let's go. Crap, my asshole. No. I want to complete this level. The complete to get. Oh my god. What? Okay. Wait. Crap, this game is so hard. Oh, yo. Just crap, my. Holy Jesus. Go down, my asshole. What? Wait, are you seriously? I don't know why. I keep dying. Oh my god. Sheesh. I'm dead. Get the bridge. But I'm not going to. So I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm dead. Press the jump button. Did I just press the jump button? I think so. Crap. I'm dead. Why is the milk killed the cat? Did cats have milk? Oh, the milk is pretend lava. Is the milk pretend lava? You. Boom. Yes, baby. Come here, daddy. No, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm a pro gamer. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, baby. We did it. Are you kidding me? Oh shoot. Oh my god. I have to go. Go. Go, sweet baby. Lord. Hey, sweet baby. Oh. How do I do that? Okay, go. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Go. Okay, stand. Shit. Oh shit! Oh, the almost reach. Okay, look at Oxlot. The Ox is so hard though. Crap, my apple. Let's wait there. Waiting. Yep. I'm waiting just a little bit. Yep. There's a fire. So crap, my asshole. Yes, sweet baby. No. What? Shell, dude. Every day, crap, booey. Oh shh! Are you kidding me? I'm going this side. I look at boys. I'm going this side. I'm just using this to protect myself. This is so high. I go. You damn monster kind of things are you? You got it! Oh shit! I'm trying this. I'm keep trying to do it, sir. Wait a sec. Go, go, go! I almost died. Shit! Beastie! Son of a biscuit! Son of a biscuit, are you kidding me? Fuck me. I said yes, word. I know how I make this. I think I'm gonna stay all the way so long. Oh my god! Shit, man. This is the hardest. Okay, boom. That shoots. And I go! I think I'm not gonna make this, guys. Oh shoot, I'm too slow. No why. Oh, it goes faster when I stand there. It goes faster. Go! Finally, I was so close. So close, and now my grandma's so angry because I'm making noise. My grandma, okay, hold oh no, I'm dead. I knew it. Are those eyeballs? Because are those eyeballs? I am a coming. Save for myself. Oh my god. So I myself. Talk it. Hey, this is easy. Crap my asshole. Go. You crazy! What the flip? Boom. Oh my god, man. I was so close. Fike! The stupid woods. Damn, boy. Go. Oh my god! Almost die. Oh, shit! Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm damn. Damn, boy. Oh my god. Shit. Oh. Ah! Crap my asshole. Shit. Guys, ooh, I'm dead. Ah! That stupid eyeball. Crap my asshole. Come on, guys. No. Don't let that go. Oh yeah, that's what. Oh shoot, I'm dead. At least I'm gonna die. Oh shit! It's 1 o'clock, you know you get. Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh, son of a biscuit, I'm dead. Okay. Oh no! Son of a biscuit! my god! Son of a biscuit! I'm not staying. Oh my god! How is that possible? How is it possible? This game is hard. It's a hard game. It's a very hard game. I keep dying. You see, I keep dying. Those stupid cannons. Why are that Oxlade was so way hard this game? Bro! Oh my god, I think I'm gonna stay in episode 10. I'm gonna stay this level. This is a game, boy. Shh. This guy needs to make this level so easier. I don't want to see the hardest level. Oh my god. Like, this is hard. This is so hard. Oh my god! No! Shit! 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 I'm stupid. I'm supposed to go there. Shit! My god! I'm saying, oh no! I pressed the jump button and now I'm not. Did I just do that? My fingers are too tired. What? Oh shit! What's that? Good. No. Oh. Shit! I'm just gonna move this because a part is harder. Oh! Oh shit! I'm swearing too much. Oh my god, why I'm swearing too much? Swearing's not nice. Damn it. Why I just jump? Go, boom, go. Shit! Come on. Are you kidding me? Only a smart guy can beat this. Oh shit. Bye! Guys, come on. I can't beat this game. Crap, I'm jumping! Shit! I can't beat this game. I can't beat this game. Oh my god. I'm not in the video. Guys, can you beat this game? Comment below. Can you beat this game? More, nobody does like this game. Why is the levels harder? I'm dead. No, why? Why is this levels hard? You kidding me? This level's harder. That's creepy. Eyeballs! Fake! I don't know why I can't make this jump. Shit! Guys, I can't complete this game. I want to skip. I can't complete this game. I can't shoot! Son of a biscuit. Shit! Oh my god! Okay. Oh no. Shit! Doesn't matter, I'm swearing too much. Shit! Son of a biscuit. Crap. God, I'm swearing too much! Oh shit! What the hell, bro? happens? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! What happens if I don't jump? Is that gonna happen? What happens if I don't jump? Because every time I do this, what happens if I don't jump? I'm not. What happens if I don't jump? Okay. What happens if I don't jump? I died! Oh, I want to do something. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh my god! I didn't know you can do that. This glitch game. Come on! Come on! Ah! Oh shit, Mo! Come on! I'm now getting upset now. Don't die. That's harder. That's harder. That's harder. That's harder. Oh sh! Oh! Finally, baby. Oh, so close. My pants up. I am getting so upset. I'm angry. I'm fucking angry. That was easy. Okay. Oh, shit! Shit! How I do that? This crazy game? Fuck. Hell no, man. Come on, stop dying. Shit! Okay, guys,